Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am really excited to share some things with you today. It's kind of like a summer theme, and then one item is something that so many of you asked for so long, and I'm very embarrassed it has taken me this long. So just a little, what do you think? What is she talking about? Okay, first, it's Foldit Day. Ready? We have two different Foldits. It is a tropical drink, aka coconut drink, for summer. Isn't that adorable? Look how fun that is with the cute little umbrella and the straw and the little orange or lime or whatever you want it to be. So adorable. I love it. And when you see the samples, you're gonna go, what? I know. Ready? The next one, and that is A2 in size. The next Foldit is a slimline Foldit, which you know we all love because it fits in those boring business size envelopes. Ready? We got to use those business size envelopes. It is a Surfboard Foldit. Now this Surfboard Foldit is really cool because not only does it have the option to put those die cut little stripes in there, you know, those little extra pieces. You could also add the flowers if you wanted to, all optional. You can do a plain one if you want to. You can add the stripes, you can add the flowers, you could add both. I also included the cute little fins as separate, so you could do those a different color if you wanted to. And then I added mini surfboards, which are really fun because if you wanted to make a shaker, mini surfboards. And if you wanted to put it on the back of the card with your signature, if you wanted to decorate the envelope, if you wanted to make confetti for the person that opens the card, lots of options, okay? Lots of good samples as well. Stay tuned. Now, 3 more items. And one is, this is the one I'm embarrassed about that I have not released yet. So as you all know, we have cute little baby Miller as a little peep. We also have Kirsten. We also have Katie with her cute little pigtails. Now Miller's has a funny looking hair because it's like a flat top, because let me tell you, Miller used to have the craziest hair. Now he's gotten a little bigger and you know, it's not as crazy. But we now have his big brother, Liam. Liam was born, I believe, 16 minutes earlier than Miller. And so now we finally have the big brother. So sometimes the little brother should come first, right? So he did. Now it's Liam's turn. Now Liam is really cute because he comes with some clothes. He comes with 2 little footballs. For my little buddy, hey, let's play. Football is my favorite season. You are my favorite. Tiny tornado. Because why did I say tiny tornadoes? Because whenever the babies come over, I always say, you are a tiny tornado. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match, especially for the clothing and the footballs. On the clothing, however, I do recommend you do not use the shadows. I include them just in case, but I don't recommend you use the shadows on the clothing themselves. Now, another item that has been missing from the Little Peeps collection, don't worry, we still have more Little Peeps coming, and of course, all of the clothing is interchangeable on all of the Little Peeps. Are you ready for this? We finally have, finally, shoes for our Little Peeps. How did I ever miss shoes, right? Now we didn't do stamps because I just figured, you know what, let's just do dies on the stamp, on the shoes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pairs of shoes all together. Boom, you run them through your mini die cut machine, and seriously, you put the adhesive on the back and you are ready to go. Okay, boom, we gotta jump in for these samples because you know what, you're gonna just fall over. Here we go. Here's a cute little one that Sheila made with our little coconut die. So cute, kicking back. Look at that fun straw with patterned paper. I love it. All these fun straws. I love this. Look at this. Woo, aloha. I love that. Tropical to stamp dies right there on that flower. Absolutely love that. That umbrella's all fancy. Happy sweet birthday. Love it. Here's a cute one. It's time to celebrate. Look at that fun little orange on there. It's your birthday. I love it. Here's another cute one. So many different options. You would think, oh, coconut drink, one option. No, no, no. So many different color choices. Look, you could do the umbrella in different colors. Let's grab another one. Here's a cute one that says Mahalo. I love it. So cute. Tropical to stamp is for the Mahalo. Look at that. Totally different looks, right? Now let's find another one. Oh, how about adding the palm tree? Palm tree Foldit. Look at that. That's from the Seagull class. Look at that. You can even add an extra lime and an orange. But I just love how many different options. This one is actually cut out of wool felt, which is important because coconuts really are like kind of fuzzy wuzzy, right? They're kind of crazy. And then here's that cute one with the different looks. So lots of different looks on this one. Now, let's move on to our surfboard because the surfboard is so fun. Girls, yes, girls surf also. Come on. Island to Visit is also on here. The hibiscus stencil is on here. Surf's Up. Look at that. Life is good. I think that's so cute. Here's another one using that fun palm tree with our fun sun on there. Absolutely love it. Ooh, here's a Liam with shoes because now our little peeps can wear shoes. They don't have to be barefoot anymore and burn their feet. My daughter Katie burned her feet the other day on the hot cement walking over. So here you go. Now they can wear shoes. Beach life is the best life. Fun in the sun. Happy birthday. Let me just tell you, I live that. I love the beach. Here's a cute one. Our little monkey. He's barefoot, but he's going to the beach, so it's okay. Aloha. Love it. Sweet vibes. Now I have one other one. Here's a cute one. So fun. Now, those stripes are optional, and then you could also add those fun little hibiscus flowers if you wanted to. Now, let's look at our cute little Liam. Liam is finally here. I'm so excited. Here he is as a blondie, also could be Miller then, right? Here he is as a brunette, because Liam in real life is brunette, but what little guy do you have in your life? Your little guy could be any color, right? He can be any color, any skin tone, any hair color. Look at this, for my little buddy. Open that up, so cute. Kids love Flip It cards, let me tell you. But look at that, so totally different. Cute little shoes, cute little shoes. Here's another one. Oh, on our fun little on our fun Foldit. So here he is again. Open it up. Go dogs. Look at that. Football is my favorite season. So many different options for Miller. I'm going to try to show you like a whole bunch of them at the same time. Here's a cute one. I don't have a problem. And look at all the shoes she's wearing. Look at her closet. Now, I'll be honest, I don't even think I have that many shoes, but look at how adorable that is. I absolutely love it. And that's so fun. That's little Peep Kirsten, all dressed and ready to go with our double Z A1 size card. So adorable with her shoes. Now here's another cute one. Life's a Beach with our Z Fold card. Open it up and there's Katie wearing shoes at the beach. So this time she won't burn her feet, right? Okay, whoops, crash. Okay, so let's look at some more Liams. Here's another Liam at the beach. Let's play. So cute with his little shoes on. Here's Katie, birthday hugs with shoes on. What I say, 11 pairs of shoes? That's all you're gonna need. They don't need more, right? Here's another cute Liam. Hey, open it up. Football is my favorite season. So lots of options with our cute little Liam. Here we go. Let's just kind of put all of them together so you can kind of get an idea of what he can look like. And look how fun that is. So many different options. Oh, I got one more over here. Let me see if I can grab it. I just like you to see that Liam is not limited to, he's only limited to your imagination. Change the colors, change the skin tones, change his clothes, put different things on him. Don't forget, I did mention coming later this year, Halloween costumes for our little peeps. Don't forget, and all of the clothing is interchangeable on the little peeps. So much fun. Now, just a heads up on the shoes, there's a small chance on some of the animals you might need to trim their feet a little bit, but they won't show that you've trimmed because, some of those guys have big feet. I'm thinking of the frog, he has big webbed feet. So you might need to trim a little to put his shoes on. But club members, you know the deal. club discount. Club discount, club points, club anniversary gifts, freebies. I mean, come on, why wouldn't you want to be in the club? Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and find out what it's all about. And if you have a friend that's already in the club, have your friend send you a special link so you both get extra club points when you join. Both of you do, so it's amazing. Go check that out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.